Wagwan Massive. You don't know say your girl Whitney. And I know to read the title already. And Sisse, me get prank. My brother and my husband, they pranked me, guys. They got me on this one. And it's funny because it wasn't a planned prank. Like, it was just something that happened. It was spontaneous. So they didn't get to do an intro. So that's why, you know, your girl doing it. Of course. So without further ado, guys, go ahead and check this video out and tell me if you think they got me.
What you want to drink? How are you?
What you want to drink, babe?
Oh, this tastes like what you finna get?
Oh, it is.
I will not cook stew chicken.
Nah, don't bother with me.
But something like this. You eat this?
What wrong with the food?
Sorry.
What wrong with the food?
It tastes funny.
Wait a minute, it tastes funny. Like
It don't
what?
taste funny, Jessie?
Tastes a little dry.
It tastes weird.
Nigga, dry, I gave you all the gravy. What's wrong with it?
It tastes different from when mommy I cook it.
So it now gonna taste all mommy food cook Devante. Me and mommy food now gonna taste exactly the same. Cause she cook better.
It don't taste.
Maybe it's my
Wait, what
sauce.
to eat?
Maybe it's my sauce.
Stop wasting my food, Devante.
You can't eat it. Taste it for yourself, it don't taste good.
What, the rice or the chicken?
No.
Me not taste the chicken. Me not taste nothing wrong with the food.
Okay then.
Your food tastes away too? So who you call mommy? No, Devante. Nothing wrong with the food.
I'm used to it though.
So what that's supposed to mean? You used to what?
Mommy?
Where you used to?
Yeah, my beg Whitney cook stew chicken. She cook it and me it tastes funny.
So where you call her and tell her that from?
You don't know what she do to it, but it doesn't taste right, it doesn't taste like how you make it.
Mommy, nothing wrong with the food. Me just taste it look a while ago. Nothing wrong with it. Me don't know what to Devante. My your mouth tastes bad.
After just see it not taste.
I must hear your mouth sour. I couldn't my food not talk about.
It tastes right.
You can't laugh, or what?
Whitney.
Yeah.
So Whitney, you're not forget so. You're not forget so.
No, but
you
what?
food that tastes good, make somebody else taste it.
Woman, me just taste the food, nothing wrong with the food. He might spit up my food in a rubbish bin like say it tastes nasty or something. I'm not gonna say it not taste like yours. It not gonna taste like yours.
You never teach her to cook, mommy?
You look say mommy there on the phone. How can I live off for this?
You never teach her to make stew chicken?
But cook.
Oh, yeah, you never teach her to make
Mommy.
stew
Of
chicken?
course, the teacher.
Don't entertain Devante
Yeah,
argument. Cause a styling thing. No.
No,
Devante
mommy,
a
not
styling
taste.
thing in that pan.
Not
Cause me taste
taste
the food
right.
and nothing wrong with the food. Why night?
So Whitney, calm down, man. Everybody
no.
tastes different. So what Jess is about it?
He might go say I'm used to it. Where you used to?
Oh, it tastes to Jessie.
It tastes weird, man. I tell you, it tastes weird. Him come to Jamaica and she say, Mom, you make stew chicken for Jessie,
Wait, to
mommy?
Jessie too?
I thought the weird taste was normal.
Yeah, time in taste stew chicken and come to Jamaica, I don't know. It tastes weird.
You
man.
not fair go on.
Same thing
No,
it tastes
Devante,
when
you
you
not
cook
fair
it,
go on.
Jessie.
So.
I tell you the truth.
It's
I'm
the
not-
same way it tastes when I cook it.
Me not taste nothing wrong with the food.
Different.
No, it's not. It's not as good as yours, but
Yeah, that may I say it. Maybe I should cook, I'm not sure, but it not taste good.
When you can't she could have put some food.
Mummy don't put nothing in there different from what me normally put in there. Nothing at all me not put in there different. If food nothing wrong with the food, me taste fame one, me taste mine.
Chicken, something wrong with the chicken.
Then I don't want to go buy the chicken today. Nothing wrong with the chicken.
No, chicken.
A styling thing in
Because we see
Japan.
chicken when you
Alright,
cut
here
up
what,
fish.
here what. Just look for something else to eat. You not have to eat it, but don't throw me food in the garbage, Devante. Cause nothing wrong with the food.
It tastes funny. Me can't nothing about it, me can't eat it.
And y'all call mommy if you embarrass me. Like say, me do something wrong.
Me ask her if she should teach her for cook.
But what kind of question that? You're not supposed to call her that to
It tastes
ask her
weird.
that.
So me have to ask.
But when you know how to cook stewed chicken, that's a simple thing that.
I'm not expect this type of
Simple
food
thing
then.
that.
Me know, it's alright. Me know, but I want to eat no food.
Whitney, you don't have to take it that serious. If probably something wrong with him taste or you find out if him alright or anything like
Mommy,
that.
nothing
you don't have
wrong
to
with
take
the
it so
food.
serious.
Nothing wrong with the food. That fresh food will come out of the pot. Might be too hot for me, no know. But me just cook the food.
No.
I'ma cook it the way I normally cook it. Nothing wrong with the food.
Maybe I live up here too long.
But me I said to you, say, he probably something wrong with him taste.
And then
So
now,
you
and
ask him if
mommy,
he feel sick or something.
I don't feel no
And-
way.
Yes, Whitney.
She
and
probably
I
been
like
up here
him
for
come to
too
me and
long,
say,
mommy.
and I like him come to me and say, no sis, you lose your touch or something, man. He might go say, here look like some little slick thing in there,
No
like he want to
slick, I
style
just-
me.
I truth. I can't know what to say. I truth. Child mute her call, but
I'm not have to eat it. Give me a bucket. I can't find something else to eat.
I'm good.
Yeah, the next one I come talk, but you used to it. How you used to?
so you feel away?
I'm used to it tasting.
Yeah,
how
I
it
feel
tastes.
away.
I feel away. I feel away. Me say me feel a blood clot way.
What are the me can't.
I not have to eat it. Go look for something else. Give me back my plate.
What are the truth? Me
No,
can't. Me
I'm used
know.
like I told you. I'm good.
No, throw my food now.
I not throw it away and I spit out in the garbage already.
I eat it. You made it.
No,
You- it took
because
you
you
put your
said-
time and effort into this. Okay, I will eat it. Can you give me something to drink, please?
Make
Me not get nothing
make me
for
some
drink.
macaroni and
Come.
cheese now, please.
Don't eat it if it not tastes good to you, Devante. Don't eat it.
Me not
Don't
eat
Whitney
it, me not
put you
eat
to
it.
eat it.
Mommy,
Nah, make you
mommy,
force me to
mommy,
eat it.
mommy. Me not bullying Devante, but here I go tell me no if me can make mac and cheese. Me a what butler?
Mas,
Me
me say
cook the
please.
food, nothing wrong with the food.
But Lana make mac and cheese.
No, me say please, mommy, no like me just say.
No,
me
but
make mac and cheese. Ask her please. Come tell her say. Me tell her the truth. Say food not taste properly. She will cook for a crowd of people and I worse and worse better me tell her than somebody else. Not true, mommy?
Yeah, better you tell her it ain't for so. You already
Yeah.
have attention of it.
No,
You
me
know,
not
feel
see.
good.
Me not feel no way.
But when you can't cook still enough, so I don't know how comes that.
No, me don't understand neither.
That means that if you give me back all of my money when I send her to college, man, and she do all
Yeah,
them
she
big
now
chef
go,
and cooking and then
culinary
sit there, man. She need
school.
to refund me back them money, them, man.
I'll go culinary class or you take, so I don't understand how it tastes. So.
Yeah, she need to refund back. And she
Yeah,
can't
understand.
get ignorant to you see when you tell her say, Ray. Calm down, man. Before you put too much something in it.
Yeah.
Jessie.
Look
Don't
up.
touch
And
me.
make with the ball, you know.
Look up.
Don't touch me.
Sis. What are they?
Mommy, not no funny.
Look to the left.
Not no funny. Nah. No, leave me alone.
What are they? Make with the ball,
Me nah.
Got her.
Move.
Got her.
Up in our card.
It's a prank.
Move.
Took her around with the food.
Move.
You salty.
you. Prank ya.
Salty.
Get up there.
Leave me alone.
my girl.
No.
The food tastes good. It tastes good. Don't
No,
mind.
but look what you want look a while. I thought about
Tell him.
say me can't cook. And all I call mommy boy if me lose touch.
Now what you bad?
You go the outro
I
or
remember, baby,
something.
me know you can watch.
No, me not laugh. You don't hurt my feelings a while ago.
You'll be alright. Get up and let's eat. Let's get it.
They try to eat the food too, cause I mean, sit down and...
Alright, y'all, we got her. We got her. If you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. You'll have good luck for the rest of the year.